In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to minimize and clean up Webflow interactions and animations efficiently. This is a fantastic approach to ensure your projects are not only streamlined, but also easy to manage, ultimately leading to faster load times and a smoother experience for your visitors. To start, navigate to Webflow's website, where you can create and manage your projects with their intuitive visual website builder. If you haven't logged in already, the first thing you'll want to do is click on the Login option. This will take you to the home page where you can enter your credentials and access your dashboard. Once you're in the Webflow dashboard, look through your list of projects and select one that you want to work on today. Clicking on a project will open up its details. Now, within this specific project, you'll need to select an element on your canvas. This could be anything from a simple text block to a complex design component. After selecting your element, you should see a panel on the right-hand side. Here, click on the Settings option. This will provide you a variety of options pertaining to the selected element. Next, direct your attention to the Interactions tab. It's one of the sections under the Settings menu. Clicking on this will give you access to all the animations and interactions associated with the chosen element. Here is where you can review each interaction to see what's being applied where. Now, let's talk about cleaning up unused interactions. This is an important step to keep your project clutter-free and easy to navigate. In the Interactions menu, there should be an option labeled Clean Up Unused Interactions. By clicking on this, Webflow will automatically identify and remove any interactions that are not currently in use. It's a simple but powerful tool to declutter your project. Going through these processes regularly helps improve the efficiency and speed of your Webflow projects. While working on these tasks, remember that having fewer, well-optimized interactions can make a significant difference in your site's performance and usability. So there you have it, a straightforward method to minimize and clean up Webflow interactions and animations, all done in just a few minutes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this makes managing your Webflow projects a bit easier. See you next time.